Happy New Year, my friends. Sorry, I'm a bit late because it's 3rd January. Actually, I wanted to create my video on 1st January, but for some reason I had to call off making video. And you know what? Many time I call off making videos because of DJ. Yes, in my area, people they are very fond of DJ. When anything happens, either small or big, any events, they love to play DJ. Okay, no problem. So for that reason, I wasn't able to create video, and I thought let it be. But yeah, it was not that easy to say let it be. I felt sad. In the end of the day, I was thinking this is 1st January, and I felt that I am irresponsible. But it was not my fault because people they were playing DJ and I didn't have any place to make my video. That is why I had to call off making video. So I thought a lot, I regretted a lot, but it was not in my hand. So finally, I have come today and I'm going to share with you people a lot of things. In this new year, this is going to be my first video. So I'm going to share with you people a lot of things that how you can learn English language. You must have made plan, haven't you? Just make plan that what you are going to do in this year, especially for this language, other for your career, family member, your peace, your happiness, your success, many things, right? So if you have already made plan for this language, then I hope you must have started doing many things. Have you? So if you have started doing many things, that's good. You are on the right track because many people they do this thing, right? They make plan and then they execute. But many they make plan, they don't execute that plan. That is why they fail, right? So maybe your energy will be very high in this January, but I hope or I wish that you should carry this energy in this entire year if you want to become a fluent English speaker. Yes, you heard me right. My friend, the problem here is we make plan because we see people they are making plan, That is why watching others we also start making a lot of plans that we will do this one, we will do that one. And we find ourselves that our energy is very high when we make plan, and especially in January month, right? But we also notice in February month or in other months, we feel that we don't want to practice, we forget about our plans that what we have made for this entire year, for our career, for our success, for our peace, we forget. So this is the mistake which we do. I hope you people are not going to repeat the same mistake, because in one of my videos I told that if you repeat the same kind of mistakes, you will fail again, right? So if you want to achieve success, I mean in terms of learning this language, I'm saying, so don't repeat the same mistakes. And for getting success also, if you want to get success, then keep learning new things, keep learning skills so that you can get whatever job you want to get in your life. In my case also, I have made plan for this year, and some of the plans are impending because I want to take time. I don't want to be excited and make plan by watching others. No, I want to make a plan very calmly or with peaceful mind, because I just don't want to make only plan. I want to execute also. Either my plan is big or small. So this is the difference between those who achieve success and those who don't achieve success. I'm not saying here that whatever plan I make, I always get success. No. I get success in some of them, and in some of them I fail also. And I try to know why I failed or what is the reason, and I try to learn. But I am not saying that I am very expert or I'm very disciplined. No, sometimes I break the rule also, whatever I make, or whatever I decide to do. I like breaking the rules also, but for some time, not for always, because we should be indisciplined if we want to achieve something. It could be learning any skill or anything. but we should not become the slave of our discipline also, you know. I hope you are understanding. So this is the thing. Actually, see the weather. Today it's very cold. However, I'm recording my video because this is my job. In your case also, I hope in this year you are not going to make excuses. You are not going to blame weather, people around you, your family member. My friend, no one is responsible for your success, either for learning English language or for achieving anything or for learning any skill. Take the 100% responsibility for your life, for your achievement, for your success. And then you will see that you will start achieving whatever you have already planned, you know. So this is the thing. Actually, I have already brought one diary at my home, and that's what I do. Every year I buy diary and I write so many things because I like writing, I like journaling, I like knowing about myself. And how do I know? When I write my thoughts on my diary, or when I make plan on my diary and see them every single day, so it just remind me that what you have decided, do it, you know, be consistent. So I would say that if you haven't written anywhere that what you are going to do in this year, so write it somewhere and try to follow, you know, and be disciplined. But yeah, don't try to become the slave of your discipline, you know. Sometimes you are allowed to break the rule, and you can just try different things also. So this is the thing. Actually, what else I have left? There are many things, right? I cannot explain everything in one video. So I will make or I will keep making videos in this year as well. The thing is that someone was in front of me, as you can see, some ladies. So when someone comes in front of me, I feel little awkward because I don't know what they feel, but yeah, no problem. So this is the thing. Okay. So yeah, I hope this year is going to be amazing for you people and for me as well. No doubt, yeah, I think so. So make plan, execute, believe in executing the plan, because many people are there, they are busy in making plan, but they fail to execute, and that's why they fail to achieve something, you know. So believe in execution, or believe in taking action, because that's what is important to achieve something. It's essential, you know. So this is the thing. See what I'm showing. Weather, I told, right, that it's very cold. Yeah, it's very peaceful environment. And I think I should wrap up my video because I don't have a lot of things to share. I have already shared. And if I want to share, then I will make another video too. This is not going to be only one video for this year. I hope I'm going to continue, right? So this is the thing. Once again, I wish you very happy new year to all of you. I hope this year will bring love, caring, prosperity, success, everything, whatever you people desire. So I hope my video is a little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.